At Innovafeed, we want to bring a new source of protein to the world. So here in Nel, we're building and operating the biggest insect farm in the world. So we are breeding black soldier flies and transforming them into protein flour, oil, and fertilizers. We're a young company and our processes keep on changing, so we're looking for a modular platform that would help us evolve as our processes evolve quite quickly. It had to be user-oriented so that we could involve the operations team in the building of our production systems.
Fly business is definitely a production that is unique. We know the processes, but we don't have advanced technical resources. So we wanted something that is respecting the standard of the MES, but more flexible, more composable, and more capable to evolve at any time.
At Innovafeed, what we do is new. There is no other factory like the one we have here. So the main challenge when we build the production system is to anticipate how we will operate a new unit and find a way to quickly iterate. Tulip has helped us simplify our operations and also integrate our warehouse control system with the warehouse management system and our manufacturing execution system so that we only have one platform to pilot all our operations.
We want to have a factory that is automated, so finally having a capability to build, execute and improve automations is something that is really important for us.
Tulip has enabled us to follow very efficiently every move of our many containers on the field and has been very useful in connecting to the machinery system. Every movement, every action is commanded by Tulip.
Traceability, that's absolutely necessary and key for us. So at each phase of the transformation we have logic to scan the container, its product, its maturity, and once we consume this container, register genealogy into history of movements.
Right now we're using Tulip whenever we have a new need. When we have a new process, we develop it on Tulip, while before we would have used a Google Sheet or a Zoho form. Now we are trying to move everything into Tulip because it's flexible and it gives us a strong data model.
Before that was one workshop using one system, another one another system, and here we have a common system for all the workshop. This improves the ergonomy and the time the operator spent to do the same task.
On our day-to-day, it allows for a tool that is very versatile and very easily changed. We are able to make minor or major adjustments to the various production interfaces very easily.
For me, Tulip is what allows us to scale up when we go from 5,000 pallets a day to 30,000 pallets a day.
Today we are running something like 164 automation across all Innovafeed shop floor. That represents a bit more than 2 million transactions a month. This orchestration is possible thanks to Tulip.
Implementing Tulip has helped us enhance the quality of our products. Basically, we now have a better traceability of our operations so that we produce more stable and more confirmed products, and that delivers better value to our customers.